Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install the Angular CLI. I already have installed Node.js on my system, and I'm going to use Node Package Manager and npm to install. So we can use command npm install, and then we are going to use a -g option, -g, and then @ and Angular, then /, then CLI. After this, you can press enter and it will take a while. And it may ask you to share anonymous usage data. I will go with the no for now. And we have successfully installed Angular CLI on our system. To confirm, we can use command ng space dash dash version and press enter. And here is the version info. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.